also. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I've completed my graduation in 2021, and just after that I joined Masai School. And here at Masai School I learned stack development. After that I got placed into Hubhopper.com, which is based in Delhi. It was huge different. In college what I was getting was just theoretical knowledge, and nowhere I was implementing that in real life. But in Masai School every day I was getting knowledge, and at the same day I was implementing that knowledge on my projects or assignments. So it was completely different. Yeah, so Construct Week is the period where we learn so much. Not even during those 4 weeks we learn that much. We learn in that just 1 week, because it's all about practicals, just creating a feature and trial and error thing. And also it teaches us how to collaborate in team. And there is one rule in Masai School that every Construct Week you will get new team members. So first you have to cope up with them, and then start working, and then dividing work accordingly, and that should be worth it at the end, because it get evaluated as well. So yeah, it was very good experience for me. During Construct Week it's like whole day you have to do practicals. No one will be there to like help you directly. First you have to figure out so many things by googling or just going through the docs. No one will directly come there and help you. Like IS are not allowed to help during Construct Week directly. So it was just like huge learning period Construct Week was. Even after complete 6 months of training, I was so worried that I will be getting job or not, or if I get, when will I get? So I was quite impatient at that period. But at the same time, I was focusing on my revision as well, and I was going through all the concepts which I have learned for 6 months. And after it was my second interview which I got selected in. In first interview, I did not got selected. For a third round, I cleared the second round, but for third round, I did not get selected. And in this company, I got selected, and this was my second interview. It was completely different experience for me, because other people were getting their offer letter maybe after 2 days after they got selected, but I got my offer letter after maybe 2 weeks after I joined my company. So it was very dynamic, and I was not like 100% sure and not worried kind of. So I was quite worried that if at all they will provide me or not. So yeah, we did not celebrate it after I got my offer letter. Before that, I celebrated.